Hi guys, welcome to the channel Being Trader, and now let's start the video. And before that, this is a continuation part of the candlesticks. So if you don't know about the candlesticks or you don't know basics about the candlesticks, please watch the past three videos. Okay, so it will help you to know about the candlesticks, and it will makes you easier to understand this video, okay, the present video. So it won't take more than a 30 minutes to cover all those three videos. Please don't don't neglect to watch those videos because it will help you. And now let us start the video, and before that I need to share with you one thing, that is many of my viewers, okay, many of our channel viewers and subscribers are telling that if we don't know whether what you are doing in a demo or whether you're doing in a real account, please can you show me, it will help us or it will make make our channel to get more number of subscribers, okay. And I like to tell that I don't know whether what sense that the people asked me, like whether I'm trading in a real account or whether I'm cheating you, or in that sense I don't know. But one thing is for sure, I won't like to cheat you, and moreover that I don't need to cheat you guys. Why? Because why I need to cheat you? I don't have anything, any reason for to cheat you. And you can see here, it's a real account. Okay, it's a real account. Wait. Okay, it's a real account. I don't like to cheat you, and let me show you my trading history. Just I will give a glimpse for you. Okay, I don't like to share all these things, and these are unnecessary stuff for you. Why? Because I need to share your knowledge. Whether it is a demo or a real, it doesn't matter because I am sharing a knowledge. I am not here to show you I'm trading in a real account. I am a good trader, not like that. Okay, I like to share your knowledge. Okay, this channel is to share a knowledge. That's it. Okay, this is not to prove that I am a good trader or whether I am doing in a real account or not. Okay, this is for those guys who are thinking that I am not doing a real account. Okay, this is just I am showing that. Okay, let me show you my trading history, just last 12 trades. Okay, nothing more than that. Okay, this is simply I am showing you. Okay, okay, these are the last 12 trades I took. Out of 12 I lost only one trade. Okay, this is enough for you. Okay, I'm closing it. Okay, guys, this is enough. I think it's an unnecessary, sorry, it's an unnecessary process or unnecessary stuff. But I showed you because some of them are getting doubt on me. Please, guys, I am here to share your genuine stuff or genuine matter. Okay, I'm not like other persons. I'm not asking any money from you, and I'm not asking anything from you. Okay, I'm not getting any. You know anything. I'm not expecting from anything from you. Just I am sharing a knowledge with my friends. Okay, these subscribers all are my friends. I am sharing a knowledge with my friends. Okay, except that I'm nothing expecting from you guys. Okay, we are all a family, and this is our channel. Okay, this is not my channel or someone else. This is our channel. We are here to share our knowledge. Okay, so now let us start into a video without wasting a time. Okay, this I'm sorry if you, okay, if I talk anything wrong, please forgive me. Okay, I'm requesting a sorry for you. Sorry. Okay, and now let us start into a video. Please concentrate on video. It will, okay, basics are very important as I told. And now actually I took here a 15 minutes time frame. So hope you understood why I took a 15 minutes time frame, because it is more good if we took here big number candle. Okay, sorry, big time candles. Why? Because it's always you can see here I took here many number of indicators. Okay, these indicators will always work when you take it in a large number time frame. Okay, if you took it for 10 seconds or 1 minute, it won't work. But if you take it for 5 seconds, sorry, if you took it for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, definitely it will going to work for you. And moreover that these indicators will work for, you know these indicators will work good at high number time frames. Okay, always remember this. Okay, you can see now there are many number of candles here. As we are continuing the video part of candlesticks, so let us start now. Moreover that, let me take a forex. Okay, let me take a forex. Hmm. Okay, I will take some. Wait. USD. Okay. What? Wait. USD. Let me take a USD now. First, let me remove all these indicators. I will explain about indicators. Okay, I'm not here to explain only about binary. I will help you in knowing about binary and stock and forex. Okay, we are learning a knowledge which is related to each and everything. Okay, each and everything. Okay, let me take it in a 1 hour time frame. Okay, this knowledge will help us for every every field. Okay, not only in binary or not only in forex, it will help us total all over the. It's a universal concept. Okay, it will help in stock also, future and options also, even in the forex and binary too. Okay, you can see here, here there is a morning star pattern. Okay, let me draw a mark here. You can see here the trend reversed. Here there is a morning star pattern. You may wonder that where is a morning star. Okay, it's a downtrend. Always we know that yesterday or in the previous video we learnt about the patterns, and we learnt where it will apply and how it will be used. Okay, here you can see it's a morning star pattern. Morning star pattern will works and help us at the downtrend. Okay, here it's a downtrend, and at this level we got a morning star pattern. Okay, it's a it's a strong red candle after a doji type of candle or a small candle, or you can call it a spinning stop. After that, if this candle confirms that the trend will going to change, it's a morning star. Okay, you can see here the exact off. Okay, this is a off of the red candle. It's okay. The third candle closed after the half. Okay, middle part. Okay, after the half of the first candle, it shows that the morning star exists. Okay, sorry, the morning star will be valid. Okay, valid for the future market prediction. See, after that we got some retracement. Okay, after that we got some retracement. Why? Because there are some people who there are some people who sold here, and after this Morningstar, they may thought that okay, the market will going to go up, right? So they some of the people will going to buy at this point. Okay, so sorry, so the market will go up because the buyers will enter after seeing the morning star pattern along with some other indicators, along with some other confirmations. They will going to enter. But why these indicators will going to but why this red candle form? Because this is a retracement. Okay, retracement will occurs. Okay, because of the morning star, buyers will enter, and by knowing that the morning star will turns the market direction. Okay, this is the morning star, and you can see here at this point you can see that it's a okay, you can see that here you can see a inverted hammer type, and after this the very strong candle, it will tell us that it's engulfing. Okay, it's engulfing. The open and the close of this candle is engulfed by this candle, right? So it's engulfing. It's a pattern which tells us the market will going to downtrend like this. As I told, this is also engulfing at this point. This is also engulfing. Okay. Mm, okay, the market started here again. Okay, here again, you can see here also it's an engulfing. It's a buy. Okay, now we are already seeing a existing market, so it will seem easier for us. But in real market, we're going to find only this much. We'll show you. Okay, only this much. We don't know whether what happened next, right? So actually, it's in an uptrend. Next, the sellers, it's a previous resistance is here. Let me place here a line which help us to know the previous resistance. Okay, I took here a line. Okay, okay, I took here a line. Now let us start. And now we're going to draw a trend line. we know about the trend lines already. We did a video series on trend lines, how to use trend lines. Okay, you can see here it's broken. Okay, it's broken. Okay, now according to me, the next the trend is broken, the trend will move more lower. Okay, this is how we use a candlesticks along with this candlesticks knowledge. We also use these trend lines and other some indicators. Okay, now next we're going to use from our next video we're going to see how the each and every how to work with each and every candlestick pattern. Before that, let me plan to do okay, this is my indicator setup. Before that, let me plan to do what I mean. Before that, let me plan to do that about the indicators and its usage. Why? Because it is better to do these indicators also, which will help. This stuff also help you to predict the future market direction along with these candlestick patterns. Okay, only candlestick patterns will won't help you to know the market directions and the market momentum for prolonged time, but these indicators will help you in such kind of things. So I will going to cover indicators, okay, how to use these indicators, and next I will going to cover the how to we need to use these patterns. Okay, so you can see here, I took let me to create okay, let me to create house. We're going to see the result of this in our next video. Mm, okay, see here, I will going to place my order for multiplayer only one. I don't know why I'm getting only one multiplayer, but anyhow, we're going to place a put option. Okay, select a multiplayer temporary unable for this asset due to high volatility. Please choose another multiple. Chà, only we are getting only one into one, but I don't know why this is getting like that. I'm just showing you an example. Let's hope I got more than. Okay, I'm not getting. Okay, this will help us not only in a forex, it's also help us in a stocks. Okay, so let us check it when in stocks or in a crypto. Okay, because this knowledge is an universal. Let me check in a commodity. Okay, we are also getting into one. So hope we are not getting enough chance to place any trades now. Okay, I also completed my targeted trades, but because as I told, I already completed my stuff. Okay, as I told, like only per day I will do only 10 to 12 trades, and today I completed 12 trades, so I won't trade now because it's my limit, so I can't so I can't break my rules or I can't cross my limits, so it is enough for today. So as I told, this is how we need to use. Okay, we can't use, this is a video only to tell you that we can't use only candlesticks or we can't use only candlestick patterns for trading. Okay, we can't trade only based on the candlesticks or candlestick patterns, so we need to use these indicators also. Definitely these indicators will be worked. Okay, this MACD, definitely this MACD will help you in a in a big way. Why? Because the MACD and RSI is a it's a very it's a most used indicators. I will going to show an example here. Let me show you. Okay, this I search for something. Okay, now let me show you that which one is the most used indicators in a forex. Okay, most used in in forex trading or in whichever it may be. Okay, see, you can oscillators, RSI, moving average. Okay, support and resistance, stochastic and relative index is, these both indicators are related. Actually these both indicators are very related, and you can see these will these will stand at the top. Okay, even there are number of indicators, like even there are hundreds of indicators, these indicators will stand at the top. Why? Because these indicators are very important. Okay, now let me check in other also indicators in trading, like okay, in overall trading you can say moving averages. Okay, stochastic has been seen in stochastic MACD. Okay, stochastic as I say. Moreover, Bollinger Bands relative of this RSI will be used very very effectively. These are they will going to give a effective results in trading. So we need to use it, but not for 1 minute time frame. Okay, this is a big mistake that we are doing. In 1 minute time frame, these indicators will won't help us, but at least we can do it for 5 minutes. Okay, but I will tell you how do I do and how it will help me and how it will help you too. Okay, because it's a universal process, and many of the traders use all those indicators that we are trying to use now. So it will definitely help us. Okay, definitely it will help us. So it's an example that, that I showed you, and this is how my trading setup will be there, and I will tell you that how we need to do it. Okay, how we need to form it, and I will explain each and everything. Okay, I will explain each and everything about these indicators, how these indicators will work, how we need to calculate, and how we need to take a stop loss in case we are trading in a forex or in a stock market rather than binary in, and how we need to place our trades, and at what time and at what place we need to enter our trades in a binary or in stock or in forex. Okay, will in further videos from my next video from tomorrow, I will going to start, I will going to start on these indicators. So it will help us to form, help us to combine our knowledge about indicators, candlestick patterns, price action all together to have a good and great profits. Okay, have a nice day, guys. Okay, this is video to inform that we can't only, okay, we can't only, this is summary. This is a video to inform that we can't only predict or the market, or we can't place our trade only based on the candlesticks or only based on the indicators. Okay, we need to combine each and everything. We need to analyze the market based on based on the current situation, whether the which analysis will be help us to predict the future market to get a good profits. Okay, based on that we're going to analyze in a different methods. Okay, this is to tell that only. Okay, we can't go with only with the price action. Okay, we can't go only with the indicators. Okay, we need to mix all those knowledge that we have gained, and we need to put it in a real market. Okay, that's what I need to convey you, and that's what I need to tell you, and it's and I completely told you. So hope you understood what I am trying to say. Okay, we need to use all the stuff that we have earned in a, in the form of indicators or in the form of the price action knowledge. So we need to apply those things in a real market. Okay, so don't blindly trust only the indicators, or don't blindly trust only the candlestick patterns or the price action. Okay, we need to put in a real market based on the context or based on the situation that the market is running on. Okay, so okay guys, thank you, have a nice day, bye. And one more thing, guys, this is a, okay, tell to our friends that we have a channel which is a genuine channel. We are sharing a genuine and accurate information and accurate knowledge. We are not misleading or misguiding anyone, and we are taking in a right way. Tell them and tell our friends, share with our friends that we have a channel. We are helping in a, in a genuine way. We are sharing we are sharing a genuine matter. Tell our friends about this and share it. Okay, please subscribe my channel. uh, let us grow our channel together. Okay guys, have a nice day, thank you.